Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I'm going to show you how to edit, customize your WordPress website without any coding skill, without hiring any developer, without any website maintenance service. So, if you have built your website of your business with WordPress and you don't want to pay every month for maintenance service, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. Here you are going to learn everything as a very beginner, and this tutorial is fully focused for non-technical entrepreneur. Okay, so here is one of my client website you can see, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how we can change everything one by one of this website without any coding skill. So first of all, you have to make sure that your website built with Elementor. Elementor is one of the most popular plugin. You see, here is the Elementor plugin. So you must have to be sure that your website built with Elementor. Then you can customize it one by one. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we are going to learn how we can update the home page. Okay, so in the home page you can see that right now I have logged in. When you have logged in and visit your website, you will find or you will see this menu bar, the black menu bar, you see. And right now we are on the home page, and you can see that there is an option edit with Elementor. You must have to click on the edit with Elementor to edit this home page. But if you want to individually edit the header or footer section, then you have to edit header. This is the header section, and you can see that there is an option edit Elementor header. You have to click on it if you want to update anything in here. And if you want to update anything on the footer section, you see there is a footer section, then you have to click on the edit footer. Okay, right now we are not going to update the header or footer. We just want to update everything without header and footer section. Okay, to do this, first of all, I'm going to click on the edit with Elementor. Just click on it. Okay, right now we are on the edit mode, and we can change everything without any coding. First of all, we are going to remove this pop-up. You see there is a close button. If your website have any pop-up, then you can close it. Just click on the close button or click on the escape key on the keyboard. Right now you can see that here is the edit mode, here is the edit container option, and here is the structure. So you have to go to with the structure. We are right now first container, and if I click on here, you can see that here is a slider. You see here is the slider, and in the slider we have added slide image. You see we have added the slide background image. We can change it easily. Just click on it, then you can reflex with any slide image, and after that you must have to click on the select. Okay, for example, I'm going to select main banner to select. You see the image has been changed, and after that you must have to click on the publish. So let me show you. Click on the publish, and then after save, if I click on view page, you see the image has been changed. Again we can change it. Just click on it, main banner 1, select. We're going to click on the publish later, but before that I want to show you more. After background, here's the content. You can change the content from here. You can see this is the content control from the title, generation, updated, you see here is the text in the updated. Okay, then the description, here is the description, here is description. You can control this description or edit it. Then the button text, book now or order now. For example, I just update the text, so for now we are just keep it book now. Then booking link, here is the booking link, you see. So I hope you have learned how you can change the main slider section. Okay, then you can also control the style like positioning, content width, description, button style. Everything is editable from here. Okay, and you can see that here is the content position. You can change the content position. Okay, then we are going to the next container. Click on the structure next container and scroll down. You see this is the next container. Okay, in this container you just have to click on the pen icon. Then you can easily change the text. You can change the even style from here. For example, change the font family, font size from 36 to 50. You see, even color, typography, you can control everything. You can control the color. Then if you want to change the image, just click on this pen icon and then click on the image and easily upload your new image or select the existing image from here in the same way. Okay, then the third container, in the third container you can see you can easily change the text of third container. Okay, everything is customizable. Just click on the text on the edit mode, then you can easily do this. And after that there is a 4 box. You can apply your own customization. So I want to change this box style. You see, you can change the icon. For example, cart to database. You see, this is the database. We are going to cart again. Okay, then if you want to change the icon color on hover, right now this is the color, we can change it. You see, we can change the color as we want. Okay, also we can change the content of this box. You see, and the next 3 boxes same way you can customize it. And after that here is the another option, just click on it, then you can change. Click on it, same, everywhere is very similar. You see, okay, but you can see that there is a different background image. How you can change it? To change it, you have to click on this container, then click on the style, and you can see that here is the image. You have to update the image or add your image, then it will be changes. So this box and this box is very similar, and this background and this background is very similar. You can edit very easily. And here is the pricing and all the pricing text. You can see that when you move your mouse, a pen edit icon appear or edit icon, you can see, and on the by click on this edit icon you can easily change this text of this box. And if you want to change the image, just click on here. You see, you can easily change the image. And this section or this container and this container is very similar, almost a duplicate or clone of this container. Then we have done. Okay, I hope you understand how you can edit the home page in the similar way, you can edit the gallery. Just go to the gallery. In the gallery, you have to click on the edit with Elementor. Then you can easily update this gallery image. So how you can update? Just click on here or click on the gallery on the structure, and you can see that here is the image. You can easily update the gallery image, change the order, add new image as you like. And after that, you have to click on the insert gallery, and you must have to click on the publish. Otherwise your customization or changes does not work. Okay, then if we go to another page, for example, we're going to service. You can easily change these services. Same way, the about and contact. So now we are going to learn how we can update the header section. So to edit the header section, you have to click on the edit header. You see, edit header, click on it. And now you can easily change the logo. Just click on the logo. You can change the menu. You see, here is the menu. You can change the button number, phone number, and also the book link text, everything. So when you change anything, you must have to click on the publish. Okay, then we are going to learn how we can edit the footer. So to edit the footer, you must have to click on the edit footer. You see, here is the footer area, and now you can easily update the footer text, title, phone number, email address, everything, even icon. From here you can change the order by drag and drop. You can change this part, the quick navigation, also the social media link, for example Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. You can add more like WordPress, or for example you can add right now we see Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn. We can edit. Okay, we can edit or we can remove it. And finally you can see that we can easily upgrade the copyright 6. Okay, and click on the publish. So I hope you understand how to customize a WordPress website without any coding skill, without hiring a developer, without maintenance service, or without monthly basis maintenance service. Now here you can see that there is a pop-up every time appear, you see, and when I click on the close, then it disappear. So how you can edit it? If your website added any pop-up, then you have to check which pop-up you are using. So how you can check it? You can check it very easily. You have to go to your plugin section, and then you have to find Control F pop-up. Then you have to try to find it. You see, there is a pop-up maker plugin. You will find any plugin that include one common word, that is pop-up. So click on this pop-up plugin settings, and you can see that all pop-ups and here's the pop-up. Click on the edit. You can add more pop-up in here. And in this pop-up you can reflect this image. You can add title or change title. You can change the behavior like targeting, home page, display. Here's the display style, then appearance, size, animation, sound. You can add sound, position, advanced stage, even close button, and then advanced stage. So you can control everything from this part or from this setting. So you must have to go to your plugins option, then you have to search for pop-up, and in the pop-up settings you will find the option all pop-up or how to edit pop-up. So here is the ultimate guideline for your website customization without any coding skill, without hiring any developer. And the most important things that is very important for your website security, you must have to keep backup before updating or editing by click on the backup migration option. You will find this option if your developer already added this plugin on your website. In general, I always add this plugin on any WordPress website because it's keep secure and risk free to lost your website design, development or customization work. Okay, so here's the backup. Then you can create a backup. So I'm going to create a backup, create new backup. Very simple. We don't touch any code still now. So it will take a little bit time to complete the total backup processing, and you can see that backup in progress. So we have to wait a little bit time to complete this backup. Wow, you see we have successfully backup. Then you can download this backup. The good idea is that download backup file, then keep it on your local computer, and when you and on the customization section, if you unwilling or by mistake broke any layout or change any design, then you can instantly backup your previous ready website or previous version that was before starting backup, starting edit. Just click on the manage and store and select your last backup file and click on the restore. So I hope you understand how to customize a WordPress website without any coding skill, without hiring any developer, without paying for monthly basis maintenance service. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.